And so you feel like you have moved through her coaching program. You feel like you have gone from feeling victim mentality
Hmm.
to how would you describe where you're at today?
Yeah, she just was so good at listening and validating, really took the time to understand where I was at and how she could best serve me, whether it was the coaching program or
Mhm.
the one-on-one. Yeah, just knowing it was a safe space. She's so relatable because she can just be like, "Yes, I was there," like once you know someone else has been through it, you're like, "Okay, I could share anything." And that's like with the support group, it's just like I would not share the stuff with, people, but when you know that they're in the same situation and you can just relate, even if things are a little bit different, the issues and the things that we're dealing with, it's
Mhm.
all like so relatable. It's still a journey and it's okay. Like Jen definitely validates the up and down, like this is normal. Like you could be you having something good happen and then all of a sudden, just things come up and that's normal. But I just couldn't even talk about anything in the beginning. I couldn't even verbalize anything to anyone. And so just um I've come such a long way and I am not so fearful of the future. I still, of course, like have like just the unknowns, but I have more confidence in myself and that I can do hard things. I'm doing hard things and it will be okay. And the future's up to me now. I don't have to um, minimize or, you know, do things for someone else to make them happy. Like I really get to create the future I want. I love Jen. Obviously, it's
Mhm.
real. It's huge knowing that she truly like prays for us, cares, is really invested. That comes through so clearly.